Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you another haul from Joann's because I can't stay away from Joann's.com. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. If you are a fan of all things yarn and crochet, then go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what I got from Joann's. This isn't a huge haul, but they had a good deal on their big value twist, or big twist value. So I wanted to get a couple of colors in this basic yarn because I really do like how soft it is. To me, the Walmart mainstays and the big twist value are very comparable. So I don't mind using those together. And you get more color options in the big twist. So, and then I got one other type that's not the value. So I'm gonna go ahead and I got yarn hanging from both ends. That's a little thing that drives me just a little bit crazy. I know you guys know that I'm just a smidge OCD, so these kind of things drive me just a little bit nutty, but I will be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you the specs, and then I'll show you all the colors. As you can tell, I got this color, right? But let me go through the specs and show them to you. Alright. So now that I'm used to the big twist label, so I know it's right here is where it tells you that it is 100% acrylic. But you know, this is a basic yarn, so I'm sure that's not a big surprise. So this is a big twist value. Alright, and then this particular skein, their value skeins, all of them have, at least the solid colors have, 380 yards or 6 ounces, 347 meters or 170 grams. Okay, it is recommended to use 6 balls if you want to make a blanket. I'm sure that's throw size. 3 balls if you want to make a sweater. I'm sure that's medium to small. 1 ball if you want to make a hat, or 1 ball if you want to make a simple scarf. Alright, and it recommends a US 8 or 5mm knitting needle, or US H/8 or 5mm crochet hook. It is a 4-weight yarn. So this is machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, which is surprising. I probably still would tumble dry knowing me. Dry clean and dry flat. And the color is aqua. So there you go. So that is the aqua colorway, and I did get 3 of each colorway. So I've got 3 of these in the aqua. I got some other colors. So these were on sale for Memorial Day. I think I got free shipping on it, and then they were $1.99, or maybe they were $1.79 a skein. I can't recall, but it was a really good deal. So the other color I got was this pale yellow, and I got 3 of these as well, and it's called Pale Yellow. That's the official name. See, I should go and I should name the big value or the big twist value colors, because I'm spot on. I should be like a color namer, right? And then I got this navy blue, which is probably called navy blue. Oh, I'm sorry. It's varsity navy. But I thought that was a real pretty blue. I really like that. And I have some projects already that I can use with this color blue. But I got a similar blue in the Dollar Tree yarn, so I may not have to worry about it that much. Or get into that one and then use it for something else. Okay, and then the other, I got I think just one other colorway. Yep, I got, okay. Alright, and in the big twist value, I got just one other colorway in the big twist value, and that is this gray. Now, they had a few different versions of gray. I thought this was actually going to be, I think, a little bit different based on, but it's hard whenever you're looking at internet photos. Sometimes it doesn't represent itself really well, is the best way to put it, but it's still a great gray. I will use it. I use a lot of gray. In fact, it looks beautiful with this pale yellow, or even with the aqua. Try to make sure things don't, even with the aqua. That actually I think looks amazing together. These two, what? Beautiful. Anyway, gray looks great with a lot of things. And this one is medium gray, so it's not dark gray or light gray, it's medium gray. These are the colors that I got in the big twist value when it was on that big Memorial Day sale. So I'm so excited about them. Yay! Now I did get, I'm gonna yarn all over the place. I got one other type of yarn because it was also on sale. So it's called Big Twist Vivid. And this is 100% premium acrylic. And it's 308 yards, 3.5 ounces, 282 meters, or 100 grams. And then now I've got to flip it around here. So you can see this part of the label. And so they recommend 3 of these for a blanket. It is a DK weight, so that doesn't surprise me. And 380 times 3, that comes out to just over 900 yards. That'd make a nice throw or baby blanket, actually closer to a baby blanket. And then four balls for a sweater, 1 ball for a hat, and 2 balls for a scarf. It is a 3 lightweight yarn. They recommend a 4mm knitting needle or a 4.5mm crochet hook. It is machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry clean. And the color is gray. What I want to show you about this color is that it has this kind of mint aqua color mixed in with it. And that's what sold me on this. I think that is beautiful. Well, you saw, I thought the aqua and the gray went really well together on in the Big Twist Classic. So I did get 3 of these as well, and I think I got 3. I may have actually gotten 4 in these, but I'm pretty sure I got 3. Usually I stick with the 3. So this would make a decent baby blanket, especially if I like trim it in something else in a different color, maybe get like a white or a gray, and then do like a border in that or something like that. Anyway, I think these are super duper pretty. They're beautiful. That's it from this particular Joann's haul. Just the basic colors. Nothing too fancy. Maybe that Vivid's a little fancy. I mean, it is premium acrylic, right? But I wanted to share with you what I did get, and yeah, and if you have any suggestions on projects for those, I would love to hear it. Honestly, I was stocking up on colors with the Big Value Twist to make sure I had particular colors, and then of course I have the Vivid. So any ideas, I always love to hear from them. I have a few things rolling in my head, but I have some other stuff coming up first, and I'm not set in stone on any of these for particular projects. So if you enjoyed this video, then please take a minute to go down below and hit that like button, and while you're down there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Until next time, you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.